Enable dark mode on Twitter. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and then you have to click on the settings and privacy. When you click on the settings and privacy, then here you can see the in the general tab display and sound. So firstly click on the display and sound, and then here you can see the dark mode option. You have to click on the dark mode. When you click on the dark mode, then here is in the first dark mode tab you can see the first or second option. You can see the off or on. You can on the dark mode, and if you want to automatic at sunset, then you can also choose it. That it means that in the daytime, then this will be in the light mode, and in the night time it will automatically in the dark mode. So it will automatically change into the day or light, day or night, according to the time. So but if you and the second option is in the, you can see the in the dark theme tab here, you can see the dim or lights out. If you want to set the dark theme in the lights out, then you can also do this. Let's see, you can, if you click on the lights out, then the dark mode is brighter, but if you type on the dim, then then the dark mode is lighter or dim. So that's it, that how you can do this. And firstly, if you, and the second way is you have to firstly go to the your home page, and here you have to again click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and then you have to click on the bulb like icon on in the bottom left corner. When you click on this, then this menu appears, and then here you can on the dark mode. And if you want to dim the or dim or lights out bright the uh, dark mode, then you have to click on the bulb icon in the top left corner, and then you can choose the dim or lights out. Here you can choose the dims or light out. So that's it, that how you can choose the dims, enable the dark mode on Twitter. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.